I'm going to start working on the fenders. So the front fenders, you notice, are pretty thick right here on this side. But these back fenders are really thin. So I'm going to cut some pieces out, weld them on so they kind of match the front. Ooh. That was this one. See it. Much better. It's got some minor pinholes, but that'll be covered with some body filler. Take care of these scratches as well with the primer. When I paint it, we'll fill these scratches, hopefully. I think this is good to go. Although I do need to trim the ends. I'll do that. I'm going to mount them onto the truck and see kind of how they sit and decide where I want to cut it exactly. But it'll probably be very close to the original line. Okay, get a nice shape in there that I like. Cool. Alright, I got those little patches that I had made for these panels. I'm gonna finish welding them in. And then those will be done. Gloves are still holding strong. All right, these are mounted. I gotta try to knock out. This is kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like bent in. Kind of want to pull this out a little bit. I already took care of these tabs. Those extra little extensions to cover those gaps have been added. So these are pretty much ready. I hit them with 80 grit sandpaper on the orbital sander, just kind of help identify some low spots that I could hammer out, and also give the body filler something, and primer and all that, something to grab onto. But I think these are ready to go. Now these side skirts, now they're not the original shape, but I think they look good, and that's probably what, $20–$30 worth of metal. If you look at the cost that I paid for the 2 sheets, yeah, that's not very much. And if you were to buy the parts, the whole set online of the original skirts for the bed, you're looking at what, $400, high threes. So yeah, they're a little rough. They definitely look hand formed. I think some body filler will kind of smooth them out a little bit, but they'll work for what I'm doing, and I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. Anyways, let's get back to these fenders. Alrighty, there it is. How I cut it down here, I don't know if I want to do that in here or wait till I get it outside so I can kind of see a shape from, step back a little bit. That might be another day. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. Those are welded and locked in place. We'll be ready to start preparing for paint. Doing some body filler, doing some sanding, and then getting ready to transform this place into a paint booth. Yeah, for now, this is it. Thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.